Android's reading mode allows you to customize your reading experience across apps to fit your vision needs and preferences. This mode is designed with and for users with low vision, blindness, dyslexia, and more. Reading mode integrates into your phone's UI to make web pages and text-intensive apps more accessible for your vision. With reading mode, you can customize text size, text-to-speech, contrast, page clutter, and font types. Once downloaded from the Play Store, reading mode integrates into your phone's interface and can be easily accessed while viewing across a variety of apps and web pages. In this video, we'll show you how to download reading mode, how to turn on reading mode, and how to customize reading mode to your preferences. How to download reading mode. If reading mode is already installed on your device, it will appear in your app tray as reading mode. If you do not have reading mode installed, you can install it by navigating to the Google Play Store. Search for reading mode and tap Install. How to turn on reading mode. Once reading mode is installed on your device, you can begin to use it in one of two ways. The first way is to access accessibility settings through the reading mode app. Go to the app by navigating to your app tray and tap Reading Mode. From the welcome screen, tap Continue. Then tap Settings to go directly to your accessibility settings. Tap Reading Mode. Then tap the Reading Mode shortcut toggle to turn reading mode on. Read the information about reading mode and click Allow if you agree to turn it on. Now you will see a reading mode icon that floats on your screen. Whenever you want to start using reading mode, tap the reading mode icon. The second way to turn on reading mode is by going directly to your device settings. On a Pixel, you can access these settings by swiping down from the top of your device. Tap the Settings icon, tap Accessibility, then tap Reading Mode. Tap the Reading Mode shortcut toggle to activate the floating Reading Mode icon. To leave the Reading Mode app, swipe down or tap the Back button. You'll still be able to access reading mode quickly when you need it. How to customize reading mode to your preferences. When you want to read a page of content with the help of reading mode, tap the floating reading mode icon. Reading mode will display a simplified version of the text. At the top of the screen, you will see an estimate of how long the content will take to read. Tap the Play button to hear the text read aloud.
Year in Search 2022. See the top trending searches of the year. Every year, we look back at the moments, people and trends that sparked our collective curiosity through Year in Search.
There are a number of ways you can customize the reading mode experience for your vision. Tap the gear icon to access these. Tap Display to change the visual appearance of reading mode. Here, you can change your preferred font size to make it bigger or smaller. And you can also change the font, formatting, boldness, and background color. If you want to customize how reading mode reads your content out loud, tap Audio. Here you can set your preferences for reading speed and reading voice. Now you're ready to use reading mode on an Android device. Check out the Google Play Store for updates to reading mode and other tools from Google that customize your device to how you see, hear, and move. To get more help with reading mode, check out the Help Center.